Overview. Food packaging. Types of food packing materials, properties and industrial requirements. Processing and quality requirements of milk and milk products, cheese, butter, ice cream. Food packaging. Principal role of food packaging are to protect food products from outside influences and damage, to contain the food, provide consumers with ingredient and nutritional information. Packaging provides protection from three major classes of external influences: chemical, biological, physical. Objectives of packaging: prevent physical damage, for example, from knocking, shaking or crushing. Prevent biological damage, due to contamination from microorganisms, pollution, in order to prevent disease and spoilage. Chemical protection, to protect against dehydration or dampness. Help to increase the product's shelf life. Protect the product's sensor and nutritional characteristics. Types of food packing materials. Food packaging uses a wide range of plastic food packaging. Polyethylene, LDPE, is used as a film wrapping resistant to water. HDPE is used for boiling the bag products. Polyamide provides a good barrier to oxygen, so used for vacuum packaging, especially for foods containing fats. Polyethylene terephthalate, rigid plastic bottles, lightweight, keeps the fizz in. Carbonated drinks. Polystyrene, used for trays and insulted containers to keep food products cold. For example, ice cream or hot products like soup, tea, etc. Paper, board and foil. Board used for food packaging is often coated with wax to prevent interaction with contents. Most paper or board should be discarded before heating, but some products frozen on specially treated board may be used for cooking in microwave ovens. Foil trays are suitable for both heating and freezing in conventional ovens. Glass. Glass is an inert material that is impermeable to gases and vapors. It is an excellent and complete neutral oxygen barrier when in contact with food. It is a recyclable product since it can be used as container repeated. Glass containers can be bottles, jars, glasses, etc. Glass is not used for frozen products. Fact: more than 75 billion glass containers are used per year in the food industry for main uses like wine, juices, baby food, soft drinks. Processing and quality requirements of milk and milk products. Processing of milk. Clarification. Removal of small particles. Homogenization. Emulsification of fine fat globules. Pasteurization. Heat treatment to destroy microorganisms and inactivate enzymes. Fortification. Addition of proteins and vitamins. Bleaching. Removal of chlorophyll or carotenoid pigments. Dehydration. Spray drying, freeze drying. Quality requirements of milk. Good sensor properties. Adequate microbiological status, absence of pathogens, absence of consequences of mastitis, absence of post-pasteurization contamination. Standard chemical composition. Adequate microbiological status is an important quality index of every dairy product.
Quality requirements of dairy products: cheese, butter, ice cream. Quality requirements of dairy products. Quality of dairy products are changed during manufacturing, refrigeration, distribution, and storage. Quality of all dairy products are influenced by several parameters, such as chemical, microbiological, rheological, sensory scores of the products. Proteolysis and lipolysis are two primary processes in cheese that are influenced by these parameters and occur under controlled environmental conditions. Studies showed that cheese quality is greatly influenced by levels of peptides, amino acids, and for fatty acids resulting from proteolysis and lipolysis. Thank you.